Hi guys, welcome back to a new episode of Apps Academy. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how you can search on Pluto TV's account. Keep watching the video till the end. To search on Pluto TV, firstly go ahead and launch open any web browser of your preference. On the search box at the top, type in my.pluto.tv and make a search. The official page of Pluto TV's account will appear on the screen. Log into your account using your login credentials and the home page of your Pluto TV's account will appear on the screen. Now to search for a movie or TV show on Pluto TV, tap on search icon at the top right side of the screen. Search for the movie you'd like to watch and from the search results tap on it. This is how you can search on Pluto TV's account quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comments section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.